not boy. Wish it was a freight train, baby. Wish it was a diesel locomotive. I'd come whistling down your track, crashing in your door. Wish it was a freight train, baby. Wish I didn't have a heart. You need a shovel for the cold just to get me started. Wish it was a freight train, baby. Wish it was a freight train, baby. Wish it was a freight train. Well, every time I fell behind, I could not get ahead. I wish someone would pull the lever and give me a little sand. And every time I slip behind, even further back, I wish some switchman would come out of the fog and change my track. Wish